Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will study English of class 3 and in this unit we were solving exercises of reading comprehension. Today we will solve exercise F. Take out your English copies. Answer the following questions. Take out your copies and start writing with me. Question number 1. Why did Anum want to go to school? Why? She wanted to go to school because she had a throwball match. Because she had a throwball match. Write down question number 2. What lunch did mother give Anum? What lunch did mother give Anum? Mother gave Anum an egg sandwich and a banana. Write down the answer. An egg sandwich and a banana. Now question number 3. Why was Anum feeling hot? Do you know why was Anum feeling hot? Anum was feeling hot because she had mumps. Because she had mumps. Question number 4. Why do you think mother touched her forehead? She wanted to check her temperature. She wanted to check their temperature. Question number 5. How did Asim know what was wrong with him? How did Asim know what was wrong with him? Because he was hot and his throat hurts. He has seen Anum with mumps. Because he was hot and his throat hurts. He has seen Anum with mumps. Question number 6. What was Anum thinking when she smiled? Anum thought now it's her turn to tease her brother. Anum thought now it's her turn to tease her brother. Question number 7. What lesson do you think Asim learned? Asim learned not to make fun of anyone. What lesson do you think Asim learned? Write down the answer. Asim learned not to make fun of anyone. Now, last question is question number 8. What diseases did the children catch? What diseases did the children catch? Write down the answer. The children caught mumps. The children caught mumps. Now, we are done with the question answers. Note down your homework. Do question and answers in your notebook. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.